Now I will be talking about Ratliff versus Merck's case. James Ratliff, the plaintiff in this case, is a Kentucky resident who took the painkiller drug Vioxx for his chronic osteoarthritis before Merck withdrew this product from market in 2004 due to side effects. He sought to represent a class of Kentucky consumers who has not been diagnosed with a specific cardiovascular injury as side effect, but incurred economic loss as a result of taking the prescription drug, and sued Merck under the state consumer protection law, alleging the company engaged in fraud and mispresentation by concealing the side effects of Vioxx while promoting its use. The most important question in this case is that whether Ratliff can represent the class of similarly situated individuals who use Vioxx but has not been diagnosed with specific cardiovascular injuries. In other words, whether Ratliff meets requirement for certification of a class pursuant to CR 23.01, and the Kentucky Court should adopt the fraud on the market theory in non-securities cases. Ratliff's claims for violation of the Kentucky Consumer Protection Law and for the fraudulent and negligent mispresentation will require individualized proof such that the common question would not predominate. Individual proof will be necessary to show that Merck made fraudulent and negligent mispresentation toward each putative class member or his or her physician through this market and the sale of Vioxx, that the alleged mispresentation were received by each putative member's physician, that each putative member's physician relied on such representations in his or her decision to prescribe Vioxx over another drug, and the amount of any damages suffered by each putative member. Thus, common questions do not predominate, but instead, individualized questions predominate. The court agreed with Merck's argument that the class certification was inappropriate and rejected the plaintiff's claim that he could proceed under fraud on the market theory, sometimes applied in securities litigations.